In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and change virtual backgrounds in Google Meet on a Mac. This feature is a fantastic way to personalize your video call experience, whether you're working from home, attending a virtual class, or catching up with friends and family online. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open Google Meet on your Mac. You can do this by navigating to meet.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll see an option in the center of your screen that says New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. Choosing New Meeting will give you a few different options for starting your virtual meeting experience. In our case, we're going to select Start an Instant Meeting. By doing this, you're creating a meeting room where you can try out various virtual backgrounds without the pressure of having other participants in the room just yet. Once your instant meeting is up and running, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find three vertical dots, which represent the More Options menu. Click on these dots and a menu will reveal additional features you can use during your meeting. Scrolling through the options presented, look for backgrounds and effects. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to change your background to one that Google Meet provides, or you can choose to upload your own image. Now, if you opt to use the Google provided backgrounds, you'll see some preset images that you can click on immediately. These might include scenes like a scenic beach or a cozy library. On the other hand, if you want to use a custom background, look for the Upload Background button within that same menu. This lets you select an image from your computer to use as your background, perhaps a personal photo or a picture that fits your meeting's theme. Google Meet's virtual background feature is particularly useful in helping you maintain privacy and minimize distractions in your environment. Additionally, it's a great way to add a personal touch to your meetings or create a fun atmosphere. Remember, when using virtual backgrounds, it's important to have adequate lighting for the best effect, as poor lighting can cause the background to appear choppy or pixelated around the edges. The feature works optimally when the camera clearly differentiates between you and your surroundings. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly change and customize your virtual background in Google Meet on your Mac. Feel free to experiment with different images to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Have a great day using Google Meet.